Alright everybody, welcome to watch this next episode. I could say my 8 channels Adat in and out videos, and now I have the first let's say no first but 8 analog input channels ready. So I have these 8 channels coming here. Then I have input buffers, LM4562 op amps, some caps here, volume adjustment, what I showed before. Then I have all the DACs here, Alice's AL1101 DACs, then Cool Audio V1401, optical transmitter, Adat transmitter, and all the channels are working fine. I'm just gonna show you that all the channels are working. I'm gonna be switching these 2 microphone channels that I'm bringing in to this and recording through Adat channels. You can see how they work, how they sound. Okay, let's go. This was channels 1 and 2. Right now, not very bad connection sounds or anything. Let's move this like that. You can see at the same time my RME interface receiving audio from channels 3 and 4 now, and I will just go on and take 5 and 6 now. All right, now it's coming from 5 and 6, sounding clear and good. There is some background noise in here in my office, ventilation sounds, but I don't really hear any buzz or anything disturbing sounds in this machine. Okay, let's go on to 7 and 8. All right, like that. Yes, now we're on 7 and 8. So this input channels, I call them analog input channels to 8 Adat output channels, work fine. Work clock is giving clocks to all the DACs, seems to be working. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to go to my drum studio, I guess could say our band rehearsal place, and I will record some drum tracks with this thing, and I think I will add a couple extra channels to see that the clocking, they're all synchronized at the same channels. Yes, okay, that's everything now, and I will continue with the drum tracks.